Elegance, muscle, and attitude, that's exactly what the 2025 BMW R18 Cruiser brings to the road. This isn't just a motorcycle, it's a statement carved out of steel and soul. From the moment you hit the ignition, that massive boxer engine growls like a legend reborn. BMW didn't design the R18 just to ride, they built it to make you feel something every time you twist the throttle. It's a modern machine with old-school charm, carrying that unmistakable blend of heritage and performance. Whether you're cruising down open highways or just admiring it parked under sunlight, the R18 demands respect and delivers pure riding satisfaction. Welcome to Speed Society, and today, we're diving deep into one of the most iconic cruisers of our time, the 2025 BMW R18. The legacy of the 2025 BMW R18 Cruiser. The R18's soul is deeply and authentically rooted in BMW's storied past, specifically drawing inspiration from the legendary R5 of the 1930s. This isn't a superficial tribute, it's a full-blooded and passionate revival of that iconic bike's core design philosophy and engineering principles. The iconic horizontally opposed boxer engine and the elegant duplex loop frame are reimagined on a grand, modern scale, creating a visually striking profile. With its massive 1802 cubic centimeters powerplant, the R18 carries this proud legacy forward into the modern era, assertively stating that BMW's unique engineering history is a valid and compelling alternative to the dominant V-twin narrative. It's a rolling, functional piece of history, thoughtfully updated for the contemporary rider who appreciates substance and story. Design and aesthetic. The R18's design is a masterclass in what can be termed brutalist elegance, where beauty is derived from the honest display of mechanical components. Its entire form is dominated by the massive, beautifully finished boxer engine, which is displayed as the central sculptural work of art. The black, double-loop steel frame provides a stark and minimalist contrast, perfectly highlighting the polished aluminum of the engine cases and the intricate detailing on the cylinder heads. The classic teardrop fuel tank and neatly bobbed fender complete a profile that is both minimalist and incredibly substantial, avoiding any unnecessary clutter. The exceptional quality of the metalwork, the deep, lustrous paint, and the exquisite attention to detail ensure it commands attention through its impeccable craftsmanship and sheer presence, not through flashy graphics or bright colors. Engine and performance. The undeniable heart of the R18 is its colossal 1802 cubic centimeters air-cooled boxer twin, a masterpiece of traditional engineering. This engine prioritizes real-world, accessible torque over high-revving horsepower, delivering a staggering 116 lb-ft that is available just off idle, right where you need it most. This strategic power delivery makes for an incredibly relaxed, authoritative, and intuitive riding character, perfectly suited for cruising. The power delivery is exceptionally smooth and immediate, propelling the substantial bike with minimal effort from the rider. The accompanying exhaust note is a deep, rumbling bass that perfectly complements the engine's laid-back yet potent nature, providing a satisfying auditory experience. It's an engine designed for effortless, mile-eating cruising, making every journey, whether short or long, feel grand and wonderfully unhurried. Technology and features. BMW has integrated modern technology into the R18 with a remarkably light and thoughtful touch, ensuring it enhances the ride without compromising the classic aesthetic. It features selectable riding modes such as rock, roll, and rain that intuitively adjust the throttle response and electronic controls to suit road conditions and rider mood. Key safety aids include automatic stability control and engine drag torque control, which work discreetly in the background to inspire confidence. Practical features like reverse assist and hill start control are truly invaluable given the bike's considerable weight, making parking and low-speed maneuvers significantly less daunting. Handling and comfort. Despite its substantial weight and imposing physical presence, the R18 is surprisingly manageable and user-friendly. A very low center of gravity, courtesy of the low-slung boxer engine layout, instills immediate confidence at low speeds and rock-solid stability once on the move. The long wheelbase and thoughtfully tuned suspension are calibrated for supreme comfort, effortlessly absorbing road imperfections to provide a plush, cloud-like ride quality that excels on the highway. The riding position is a classic cruiser posture with mid-mounted controls and wide riding experience. The overall riding experience is uniquely defined by a profound sense of relaxed authority and mechanical connection. You don't ride the R18 aggressively, you command it from a position of comfort. The immense, low-end torque means you rarely need to downshift, making progress effortless and serene. The distinct, rhythmic pulse of the big boxer engine and the visual prominence of the cylinder heads in your periphery create a deeply sensory and engaging experience that is absent in more modern, streamlined machines. Who is this for? The 2025 R18 Cruiser is designed for a specific type of rider, the individualist who values heritage and craftsmanship over mainstream trends. It's perfect for the discerning motorcyclist who seeks a relaxed, sensory-rich riding experience and possesses the confidence to pilot a substantial, attention-commanding machine. It will deeply appeal to BMW loyalists looking for a cruiser alternative, as well as traditional cruiser riders searching for something uniquely different from the ubiquitous V-twin, offering a distinct character and a more personalized statement on the road. Pricing and availability. The 2025 BMW R18 Cruiser positions itself as a premium offering within the cruiser segment, with a starting price that reflects its bespoke nature and high level of craftsmanship. It is available through authorized BMW Motorrad dealerships globally. Prospective buyers are encouraged to visit their local dealer to explore the various models and option packages, and to schedule a test ride. Final thoughts. The BMW R18 Cruiser isn't about chasing trends, it's about creating them. It's that perfect mix of classic craftsmanship and modern engineering that hits you right in the feels every time you ride. From its thunderous exhaust note to its road-dominating stance, this machine is pure character on two wheels. It's built for riders who appreciate tradition but crave power and presence. And the best part? Every ride feels like a personal conversation between man, machine, and the open road. The R18 isn't just built to be ridden, it's built to be experienced. This is Speed Society, and that was the legendary 2025 BMW R18, where timeless style meets modern power. Until next time, keep your throttle open and your spirit free.